Hey, welcome my friend. This is Subhas here, your friend, and today in this video we are going to give you full depth review about new product launched by Jono Armstrong called Profitmate. And what is this product and how does it work? And really, if you decide to pick up this product, then it is really beneficial for you or not. So basically, it is a brand new program. You can see I have in full member area access. So what I have tested on here, basically it is a program, it is a product where you can put any keyword, any specific niche keyword, and it will search a lot of thousands of lead just a second. You can put, like, if you are a affiliate marketer, you can put affiliate marketing keyword, and it is grab all leads, real leads from Google, from Facebook, which people's already provide some pages, some Facebook pages, and everywhere. So I know this strategy I'm using in my beginning when I was starting my beginning affiliate marketing, and I have made thousands of lead every single day. But that was manual. I was doing many really hard work. But you got a software and you can collect a lead. After then, our bonuses teach you how to do email marketing properly, how to do affiliate marketing, and same those leads you can select. You can do email marketing and make thousands of dollars every single day. That is very possible. So let's talk about my bonuses and about this product. So if you're watching on YouTube, simply click on the link below. Okay, link below, and you can visit on this page. It is called my bonus page, and here you can see about it, about product price. Product price just $17, like $16, it is not huge. So like, I'm introducing my bonus number one. So tomorrow, I hope you watching in 25. So that is today, but I'm recording this video 24. So tomorrow I'm going to launch my product called No List Secret. So you will get these bonuses. It is basically my one of the best product where you will learn about how you can make 300 $400 a day without any email lists. You will get beta access with this program. Okay, and bonus number two is that about you can see on here my affiliate marketing blueprint 2.0 course. So once you collect lead from using this software, okay, after then you need to know how to use those lists, how to promote any affiliate product. So my affiliate marketing course help you to understand how to do properly email marketing, how to do affiliate marketing, how you can select offer, how you can create a bonus page, how you can integrate, how you can write a message, and everything our this program, our affiliate marketing program give you. Okay, and this is really important. I have been selling to $197, but you will get completely free. Okay, and bonus number two is most important. You will get our email marketing mastery course. So once you collect thousands of lead, after then you need to know how to do email marketing, because if you have lead but you don't know about how you can collect leads, that is worthless. You will not make any money. But our email marketing system give you all details, all step by step process, how you can, what is the best email marketing autoresponder, and how you can create auto sequence, and how you can send them, and how you can promote affiliate offer every single day using email marketing. So you will get full course, step by step training tutorial with email marketing mastery. This is a bonus, but you will get completely free. Okay, and you can see bonus number three is that influencer hub. So basically it is cloud based software where you will get about how you can get traffic from big influencers channels, like YouTube, Facebook, Google's YouTube, Instagram. So they all big influencer promote your product using this software. Okay, and bonus number four is that our winning email sweep. Look it on here. First of all, 121 winning email sweeps. So I'm doing email marketing last 3 years, and I have tested thousands of email. I have tried thousands of email for my audience, but I have selected only 121 email sweeps, which is really convert well every single day. So all email email sweep I'm giving you, as a bonus with this program and with this software. And what you can does, once you collect lead, after then you can use our sweep with your email marketing. You will learn email marketing, where you can put our sweeps and your affiliate link through my affiliate marketing course. That is good, or you will get all those things and send, and you will start making affiliate commission. Okay. And bonus number 5 is that what is called all vendor bonuses. Okay, so you will get all vendor bonuses, like you will get Jono must run previous launches, and my product launches, which I have launched previously, and Glee launches. So I have collected full 500 plus bonus database, so you will get completely free with this program, this product. Okay. And bonus number 7 is that 6 is that 350 per day email sending. So I already recommend you use, once you access, then you will learn how you can make real cash with email marketing. So this is case study video training, where you will learn everything about how really people make a lot of money through email marketing. Okay. So let's talk about member area, how this system work and how this software work. Okay, just a second. So once you access this program, then you will get this member area, and here you can put your keyword, like I'm affiliate marketing marketer, so I'm doing affiliate marketing, so I'm putting on here, and it will take a little bit time for searching. So you can see searching emails on here, and so you can see it will take a little bit time, but I'm going to finish this. Okay. And and let's talk about some previous campaigns I have created, searches so many products. So you can see how to make money online, video man, and do dating. So if you like, if you are a yoga expert, okay, and you want to collect yoga leads, so you can click here yoga and search on here. I think it will take a lot of times, and my internet is slow, so my apologize. But I have previously searched, so here is some saved campaign. So what you need to do after after searching, you can save the campaigns, and you can see dating, personal, and doing view. And let's talk about how to make money online. Once you click on here, okay, then you can lead. Once you search, then you can get lead like this. And how this software collect leads, someone going to for Forbes, and they will put their email address on there, and some other website entrepreneurs. So this is real legal leads. So what you need to do, click on here download button, and you can save those file to your computer. So look at on here, affiliate marketing CCB. I have previously downloads from Profitmate, this software. Okay, and click on here, open. So you can see I'm going to open this file. So you can see this is all those leads which this software collected. Okay, so you can see lead. So every single every, you can see John Smith and a lot of info. So this is a real legal lead. So what you need to do, simply click the link below if you're watching on YouTube, and if you're watching on my bonus page, click the red button below and go to access now this amazing software. And one thing is that our all bonuses, like you can see affiliate marketing, my no list secret, member access, and before purchase, and affiliate marketing course, and email marketing mastery course, influencer hub software, and 121 billing campaign, 500 bonuses, and this all those bonuses has been expired within 24 hours. So before, you should access all bonuses before timing hitting zero. And this software, and this approximately cost just $16, and you will get a lot of free traffic, free leads every single day. Okay, any keyword. So my last opinion for this software, it is very good if you are a beginner. If you are intermediate level, you try to generate a lead, this is really worth for you. Simply click on the button below, go to access now, grab my bonuses. And how you can get my bonuses, that is very very simple. You don't need to worry. Once you pick up this product, after then you will get you will get thank you page. In the thank you page, you can see on here just showing access your purchase. In the bottom below, you also get access affiliate bonuses. So you will also get access my all bonuses instantly. And still you have any questions regarding my bonuses, feel free to come back on my bonus page and just say hi. I am every time online, okay? And I'm every time online, and I will reply and I will deliver your bonuses as a manually, okay? So thanks for watching this. Honest opinion, this is really good product. You should pick up it. Thank you and see you in the next video. Click on the link below. Thank you.